Anyway, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It rules in millimetres and the material's been wetted. This piece has been marked with a permanent marker. Somebody was looking at what they thought or how they might cut it. Personally, I think you might make that a bigger stone. And the reason that bit there is because it drops down, as you can see there. Not super high grade material, but something that you could practice with. That might come off. Not a lot of colour in that piece. It's basically potch. A little bit of blues coming through that piece. It's almost sort of matrix sort of material. A bit of potch mixed in. A couple of these I've just thrown in, pre-formed. This piece, a bit of opal on the end there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.